Right now, let me show you how we can search text by the date on your iPhone. So, of course, we need to get inside our Messages app as usual. And like individual chats don't have like a search feature inside of them, right? You can have like search specific conversations. Like in here, there's no like search button for it. You only have a general search, right? So if you come back to the main view of the messages like this, and at the bottom we have the search field. So we're gonna click on it like this, right, and make sure that the search pops up. And the way to look for the date is essentially that you're gonna type in at first the name of the person which you wanna search the conversations with, and then proceed with the month and a date, right? So if I type in the name Lucas and March 28th, you can see that I get to see the messages from that particular date. And that's how you can use them, right? To filter it specifically by the time you want to see the message, right? So for example, right, you can as well just click on it and it just jumps back to that actual thread, to that conversation, and you can see that it is indeed on or from the March 28th, right? So that's very useful stuff, even though it doesn't appear like the iPhone messages can do that, but they can. So of course you can even look up some different dates, like for example April 17th, right? And again, I have a message from that date. So that's how it works. That's how you can filter it this way. Let me know if it will also work the same way for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.